In this exercise, we will replace a bearing on the gearbox input shaft. The first step is to remove the output bearing carrier by removing the 4-hex head bolts. Once the bolts have been removed, the carrier must be gently pried out of the housing. Be careful to avoid damaging the shims, shaft seal, and O-ring seal. The carrier can be rotated slightly to make it easier to get a pry bar behind it without damaging the shims. Now the output shaft assembly can be removed. Set these components aside for later reinstallation. Next, remove the 4-hex head bolts holding the input shaft bearing retainer. Gently pry the retainer out and carefully avoid damaging the seal and O-ring. The input shaft assembly should slide out of the housing. Correct alignment together with gentle shaking will allow for easy removal of the assembly without using force. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.